And I should have one of these little bucket of screws. Nope, not that one. That seems promising. Okay. Where did my ratchet go? Oh, in the water. Almost. I guess I have to put you guys down for a second. Going to war. And it is off. Don't have to worry about ruining the threads because we're replacing this. Also, this is a spare bolt, so. But usually, one of the caliper bolts will fit. But you don't want to ruin your caliper bolts, so have a spare. Clean off that hub a little bit, spray it, and then I'm gonna go clean off the new rotor real quick, so I'll be right back.